Hello guys, welcome back to another unbox. It's from Harrods and look what is this. I ordered as a gift for myself. Yeah. It's from Laurent. So excited. It comes with a dust bag. Wow. It's really beautiful. I got it for $494 with $30 shipping, but Fairfetch has the same one for $675. If you can't believe, I can pin here, and so yeah, I'm so happy because I ordered for less money. It's stunning. It's close up. Wow, amazing. Really beautiful. It's all my fingerprints. I hope you like this video. If you like to support me, please subscribe me, and if you have any question, comment me. Thank you for watching. Bye.